Hello students, welcome to Networking Lab class. This is for 4th semester IT students. On today class we will be discuss about sharing hardware resources on network. So what is the procedure, how we should share all the hardware resources in network. So first point is arise, that is your files and folders and the physical component. It may be your printer or any USB drive also. Okay, so let's see how the printer is to be shared on the network. So what is the procedure for sharing the printer? Network printer can be configured as shared device so that others on the network can use them. If you are using Windows 7, then go for which option? Go to the start option. Inside the start option, write down device and printers, or you can go for the control panel. From that control panel also you can select that device and printer option. And if you are using the Windows 8 or Windows 10, display the control panel and click on your view device and printer option under the hardware and sound headings. Now Windows display the device and printer dialog box. Okay, so this is the device and printer dialog box where what are the devices are installed, what are the printer devices are installed, that is display with their names. It may be your fax machine, it may be your printer. Okay, all sorts of hardware devices should be displayed here only as per your device and printer option. Now right click the printer you want to share and select the printer properties from the text menu. Windows display the properties dialog box for the selected printer. The content of the dialog box vary depending on the capabilities of your printer, and make sure the sharing tab is displayed. Okay, now see, when you make it on this option, right click on the printer you want to share. Here the lots of printers are installed. Maybe your HP LaserJet 1022 is there, HP LaserJet 401 option is there. Different printers are there. So which printer you want to make share, you just select that printer, then right click just above of that printer, then go for where? Go for the printer properties. So here just like Epson printer is there. So when you right click on Epson, then click on that option, properties option, automatically you will be getting this dialog box. Okay, then you have to go for the clicking the sharing option, then share this printer. Okay, so it asks you the content of the dialog box is very dependent upon the capabilities of your printer. Make sure the sharing tab is displayed. Okay, now after that click the share this printer checkbox and optionally change the share name of the printer. Okay, you should click on the share this printer option, then you can change the name also. Now depending on the configuration of your particular system, you may either check or uncheck the render printer jobs on client computer checkbox. If checked, then all the processing required prior to the queuing the printer job occurs on the client computers. If it is unchecked, the computer hosting the printer does the processing for all the print jobs sent through it. Okay, now when you are done sharing the printer, click on OK to close the printer properties. The printer is immediately made available to other on your network. In order to access the shared printer from a different system, go to that system. Means by this command you are able to access the printer from other system. So after giving this command, which command? Now this setup, printer setup. After setting this one, share option is activated. You should write down the share name. Then you have to click in OK. After this, you have to check from your other machine whether the printer is working or not. So here it asks you, go to that system, and if the system is using Windows 7, choose the start option, go for device and printer option and click on the add printer option. Okay, so when you click you will be getting this menu, add printer dialog box is display. If the system is using the 8 or 10, it display the control panel and click on view device and printer. Under which option? Under your hardware and sound heading option, and then click and add a printer option at the top of the dialog box. Now Windows start the add printer wizard. The Windows 10 system will perform a search for a device or printer through this PC. Then you have to click on the printer that you want is not listed if your printer is not found. So Windows display the find a printer by other option section of the add printer wizard. So here only by browse option also you can select. So this is the figure number 3. So you can select the printer name from your this browse option also. Okay, if this one is not there, then you can go for clicking on browse option. Then click the second option, add a network, wireless or Bluetooth printer if you are using the Windows 7 or Windows 8, or click the fourth option, add a Bluetooth, wireless or network discoverable printer if you are using the Windows 10, and the system immediately starts scanning the network for available printer after all of these printer have been founded. So select the printer name that you want to use and click on your next option. Now the network printer is added to the computer list of available printers. Then click on your finish to process the finishing touch of your printer sharing option. Okay, so as for printer, one physical cable can be added to your system. Otherwise one wireless printer is also there where you don't have any physical cable that is attached to your system, that is through the net it will be working. Okay, so these two types of step is assigned here only. If you are having physical connection with one system, by sitting in other system you can share the printer. Okay, by which option? By your network sharing option. So this network sharing option is there, that's why easily the person can access from one sitting on one system and accessing the other device, other component or hardware equipment or hardware device from your other system. Okay, now how the files and folders and disk drive can be accessed through your network sharing option. File, folders and entire disk can also be shared among the network connected system, and the procedure is very much similar to that of sharing a printer also. Okay, so using Windows Explorer, right click the folder you want to share with other on the network and select the share with specific people, that is under your Windows 7, or share specific people under your Windows 8. Then Windows display the file sharing dialog box. Okay, if you are using Windows 10, it display the file explorer and make sure the share tab of the ribbon is displayed. Then after, right click the folder you want to share with other on the network and give access to or specific people. Okay, option to be highlighted. After clicking that option, Windows then display one network access dialog box. So this is also called file sharing network access dialog box. This is the network access dialog box. Clear? Like such a manner you can access the printer as well as the files or disk drive also. The dialog box looks like it does because we click the drop down arrow to the left of the add button and select the everyone. So when you click the add button, the group everyone was added to the list of those allowed to access my folder. Now see on this picture, So here only, when you click this one, everyone, it will show the option as allowed access to your folder, that is for everyone. So when you add a person or a group to those permitted to access your folder, the permission level for your addition is set to read. If the group been added is everyone, then this allows everyone on the network to read from the share folder. Clicking the down arrow beside the read setting in the file sharing dialog box allow you to change the permission level to something else, such as to allow them to write to the folder, means read and write. Okay, both the permissions are there. Once you have set the desired permission level, click the share button to commit your changes. Next is your sharing an entire disk. So how the disk is totally shared to other person. So sharing an entire disk drive is similar to sharing a folder also, but the mechanics are a bit different. Under your Windows Explorer, right click the disk drive you want to share and choose the share with advanced sharing or share advanced sharing option under your Windows 8. If you are using Windows 10, display the file explorer, means go for the file explorer, then right click the disk drive you want to share and choose the give access to advanced sharing option. Windows display the sharing tab of the disk drive properties dialog box, and you should click the advanced sharing option with the dialog box. Windows then display the advanced sharing dialog box. Now this one is there. So click the share this folder checkbox as yes. I know it's not really a folder, it's a disk drive. Okay, so you can then optionally change the share name. When ready to share, click on OK to finish the process. So here share this folder checkbox you have to make it on, then you can share it, then click on OK to finish the process. So like such a manner you can share the printer as well as files, then folders and your drives also. So the drives depend upon your partition of your hard disk or it may be your USB drive. Okay.